Select same enables us to select all the similar objects at the same time. So here I have an artboard with different shapes and different colors. So let's say I want to select all the orange shapes. Instead of selecting them one by one, I could just select one of these shapes, go to select, go to same, and here I have different parameters. I could select by appearance in general. I could also select all with the same blending mode, or fill and stroke, or just fill, opacity, stroke color and weight. And in newer versions of Illustrator you can also select based on shape and other parameters. So for this I want to select fill color. And here I easily selected all the orange objects. You can select objects based on whatever parameter you like. And a bonus tip is that maybe you want to select some other shapes as well. And maybe you need to select or edit these specific objects a lot of times. Then you can simply go to select and go to save selection. Here you can give it a name like test and click OK. Now every time you need to select these specific objects, you simply go to select and go down to here where it says test. And now these objects are selected once again. If you like this video, you can hit the like button, or you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.